Allion has developed the Cable-Connector Allion Multiport Switch to verify the quality of USB 4 Gen 3 cables and connectors. CAMS is able to work with a network analyzer and get IPAR to automate high-frequency tests. CAMS offers 5 advantages, including easy setup, intuitive user interface, highly efficient testing, quick check for pass-fail test items, automated test results. The CAMS kit includes switch box, power cord, USB A to B cables, through cables, RF cables, fixtures. It's easy to set up the CAMS. Plug in the power cord. Use one of the 2 USB cables to connect the PC and CAMS. Use the other USB cable to connect the PC and the ENA. Connect the RF cables to CAMS. Connect the ENA and CAMS with the 4 through cables. The Allion engineering team will help you install the CAMS software. Before the software is installed, make sure that Excel is supported by the PC, and the OS version is Windows 7, Windows 10, or later. The firmware version of E5071C ENA must be B.14.14 or later. In order to ensure accurate measurements, we use Keysight eCal module to calibrate the CAMS switch box, test ports, and RF cables. Click the corresponding buttons to calibrate RF cables and test ports. When the calibration is completed, the button color of the test ports will change. You can easily keep track of the calibration progress. In accordance with the USB-IF specifications, the CAMS is designed to support de-embedding functions. Click De-embed and make sure the uploaded de-embedding files are correct. The CAMS software can quickly analyze the pass-fail results of all test items. It only takes 8 minutes to test a cable and 4 minutes to generate the report. You can directly change another DUT for another round of testing without reassembling the test setup. After the test is completed, go back to the home screen and click Auto Report to review all test results. Allion is authorized by the USB-IF, VESA, HDMI Forum, and many more associations to provide a full range of certification programs, consulting services, and test equipment. The CAMS is a highly efficient solution for identifying quality issues of connectors and cable assemblies. It reduces the test time and the risk of hardware damage caused by repetitive plugging and unplugging. If you are interested in learning more about the CAMS, please contact us at service@allion.com.